Hi, Aldo. How was your nap? You had a good nap? Nap, yeah. You slept a little bit. And are you sitting there with Pooh? You have Pooh Bear? Can Pooh have a kiss? You gonna kiss Pooh? Oh, it's a nice song. Very nice. Yeah, it's a nice song. I like it. Yeah, you hear the chimes? Outside, the chimes are outside. Yeah. Out, yes, the chimes are outside in the back. Aldo, where's your nose? Good boy. Where's your ear? Very good. Where's your eyes? Oh, where's your eyes? Oh, yeah, the animals are not there right now, I know. Where's your mouth? Boca. Very good, your mouth. Can you clap your hands? Yay, Aldo! Can Mama have a kiss? Very nice.